This class is for 12th standard students for English subject. Today we are going to learn the first lesson from Unit 1. It is 1.1 and Astrologers Day, and writer of this lesson is R.K. Narayan. So, before this lesson, there is given small introduction about the writer, and today in this first part we are going to learn about the introduction of writer. So, open your books, page number 2. Now listen carefully. R.K. Narayan, 1906 to 2001. It means R.K. Narayan born in 1906 and he died in 2001. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy was one of the best known novelists. So what is the meaning of novelist? Look at here. Novelist, it means a writer of a novel. So what is the meaning of novel? Look here. Novel, it means the fictitious prose narrative of book length. So what is fictitious? See here. Fictitious, it means not real or true. Another meaning is imaginary. So the full name of R.K. Narayan is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. Was one of the best known novelists among Indian English writers. It means there were many writers who were writing in English language and those writers were Indian. So in these writers he was a very well known person. He is the author. Author, it means writer. He is the author of 14 novels. Means R.K. Narayan had written 14 novels, 5 volumes. So what is the meaning of volumes? Look here. Volume, it means the book forming part of work or series. 5 volume of short stories and a number of it means several or many. A number of travelogues. The meaning of travelogue, travelogue, it means the book about a person's travel and has a collection of non-fiction. The meaning of non-fiction, non-fiction, it means writing dealing with facts or events. Non-fictions to his credit. Now here is given the information what R.K. Narayan had written in his life. He had written 14 novels, 5 volumes of short stories and a number of, it means several, many travelogues. Travelogue, it means the book about a person's travel, any person's travel, and has a collection of non-fiction to his credit. Non-fiction, it means writing dealing with facts, true events. It means he had written many stories about the true event, and this all is his credit in his life. He also wrote his memoir. The meaning of memoir, look at here. Memoir, it means biography. He also wrote his memoir, My Days 1975. It means in 1975 he wrote his own biography, and the name he gave to his biography, My Days. Narayan created an imaginary town of Malgudi where realistic characters in a typically Indian setting lived. Typically. The meaning of typically I am giving here. Typically, it means having the distinctive quality of a particular type. So what is the meaning of distinctive? Look at here. Distinctive, it means different in nature. Narayan created the imaginary town of Malgudi. So the place on which Narayan had written every novel, every short story, the name of that town is Malgudi. And this town is not the real town. This is imaginary town created by Narayan, R.K. Narayan. Where realistic characters in a typical Indian setting lived amid it means in the middle of, amid unpredictable it means not able to state that a specified event will happen in future. So the characters R.K. Narayan used in his stories, those characters were typically Indian characters, and in these stories there one cannot tell you what will happen, what kind of events will happen in the life of those people who Narayan created or used in his stories. His stories are grounded. The meaning of grounded, it means based on. His stories are grounded on compassionate. Look at here. Compassionate, it means showing sympathy or compassion. Compassionate humanism. The meaning of humanism, assisting concern with the needs of humans and celebrated the humor. What is the meaning of humor? Look at here. Humor, it means the quality of amusing. Look at here, I am giving here. Amusing, it means the quality of making someone laugh or smile. The humor and energy of ordinary life. So, R.K. Narayan's stories are based on human sympathy, the condition of human, and how we feel sympathy about that condition of poor people. And he also used some kind of humor, some kind of amusement, some kind of moment where people feel or laugh after watching or reading those events. So this kind of humor, this kind of energy he used in his and normally the people he used in his stories are very simple people and use their life very simply typically Indian life of people. His stories are characterized by a simple style and subtle humor. The meaning of subtle, look at here. Subtle, it means very light,